Hi, it's Maksym from the Printing Goes Ever on Patreon. Today I wanted to show you how easy our pre-supported 3D printable miniatures come out of supports. I'll be showing you test prints of some of the characters from our welcome trove. All credit for the pre-supports goes to the amazing work performed by Heydash Workshop, who is pre-supporting all our models. So, I just take a print and dunk it into hot water. I keep it there for about 20 seconds. Then I gently pull on the support base and the mini is free. No cutting pliers or hobby knife needed. I'll show you some other examples, but this time speeding up the footage. All test minis are printed on the Epax X1 using Ameralab's AMD3 grey resin at 50 micron layer height. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all get some amazing prints.